In this video, we will learn how to avoid common AI project disasters using the Gartner Hype Cycle. We'll explore the stages, from initial excitement to realistic adoption, and how to manage expectations for successful AI implementation. Get ready to turn AI hype into tangible results.
Ever feel that initial AI excitement just vanishes? Many projects crash into the trough of disillusionment after the hype. Let's discover how to steer clear of this common AI project killer.
The innovation trigger is where a new idea ignites initial AI interest. Think proof of concept demos and lots of media buzz. It's the exciting start of the AI journey.
AI projects fail to live up to the hype, and bam, disillusionment hits. Interest fades and projects get axed. This is a make or break moment for reevaluation.
Through trial and error, a clearer view of AI's potential appears. Second-gen products emerge and investments get smarter. This is all about learning and adapting.
Judge AI projects by their real-world uses and ability to solve problems. Don't just chase trends without thinking about business value. Align AI with your core strategy. Take a company that launched an AI chatbot for customer service. By managing expectations and focusing on real-world uses, they aced the hype cycle. They saved big and boosted customer happiness.
By grasping the Gartner Hype Cycle, you can handle the complexities of AI projects, manage expectations, assess potential, and dodge disillusionment. You now have the know-how to turn AI hype into real results.
Subscribe for more content like this and start your prep today.